Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in all pages in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take a some page. Now we want to insert picture in all pages. Go to the View menu and click the Master page. Then go to the Insert menu and click the Picture option. Then choose a picture from our file and insert it. Then resize the picture and set the picture on this page. Then close the master page and we can see we insert picture all pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.